about to go down in the hoodoos. And hopefully we don't get rained on, because there's a nasty rain cloud up there. Okay, so we got all the way down here and it started hailing. Do you see this? Hail. And we're hiding in a little cave. Say hello. We're hiding in the cave. Look at this hail! Oh my gosh, I don't know what we did. I looked at the radar and it did not say hail. Oh Lord Jesus, protect us. We're in our little cave. We found one just in time. Oh my gosh. Update number 2. It is now raining and we're still in our cave. Oh. Update number 3. We are still in the cave. It's almost done raining though.
Oh crap, I guess.
Okay, so it stopped raining and we made it back up in a muddy mess. But the Lord provided that cave right before it started pouring. So I said my prayers on the way down because it started thundering when we were already down there. But we made it. This girl doesn't know how to hike her. I kind of hated that. We'll see if I try this again. Bye. And my shoes and pants are ruined.